In this video, I will show you how you can add a phone number for text messaging on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app. Then tap on it. Now if you enter into this section, just tap on your Apple ID, then tap on the Enter button. Now after you open the Messages settings, then just scroll down. And in front of iMessage, just enable the toggle for iMessage. After you do that, then just wait for a couple of seconds. And after you see the option for send and receive, just tap on send and receive. And over here, you will be able to select your phone number or your Apple ID. So you can receive iMessages from people to your number or to your Apple ID. Now as you can see, the phone number option is missing over here. Now to add the phone number option for iMessages, in the main settings page, just tap on your Apple ID. Then tap on Sign In and Security. Now over here, just tap on Add Email or Phone Number and select Phone Number. Now in this section, just enter your phone number. After you add your phone number, then just tap on Continue. Now you will receive an OTP code on the phone number which you have entered. After you receive the OTP code on your phone number, then just enter it over here. And if you're wondering where you will receive the OTP code, you will simply receive the OTP code in the device where you have inserted the SIM card. Now, after you have entered your phone number over here, then in the main settings page, just tap on Apps, and in the Apps section, just open the Messages app. Now, just make sure that iMessage has been enabled, and after that, just tap on Send and Receive. Now, over here, you will be able to select your phone number so you can receive iMessages on your phone number. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.